Welcome to Lesson 2. I hope Lesson 1 was helpful in dusting off some old cobwebs and helping review some information that you maybe haven't thought about in a while, particularly computing basic probabilities and conditional distributions, and using the Bayes rule to help understand how gathering information helps update probabilities to give everyone an idea of how powerful information is to allow us to have an updated view of what the likelihood of these events, random events, are. So we're beginning Lesson 2. We're going to look at three probability distributions. One discrete probability distribution, which is the Poisson distribution, that counts the number of events in a fixed unit of time. The exponential distribution, which is a continuous distribution, which helps us determine the probability of when the next event will occur, at what time the next event will occur. And then the normal distribution, which is used to model several things in nature, the familiar bell-shaped curve. The Poisson distribution, the discrete distribution, and the exponential distribution will help us to understand a little bit more about weighting lines, and then we'll use the normal distribution throughout the course to help us understand various events that occur in nature. We'll dust off some cobwebs. I have some videos, a set of videos. Actually, there's 5 videos, total of about an hour's worth of watching. You don't have to sit in one sitting to watch all of those videos, but would recommend that you pick a couple of sittings to watch them. There's one video on the Poisson distribution, one video on the exponential distribution, one video on the normal distribution, and then 2 videos on the Poisson process. We'll need to have reviewed those so that you'll be prepared to come to class to solve problems, which is what we'll do in Lesson 2. May answer a couple of questions at the beginning, but then we'll dive right in, solve problems for the whole class period, and talk about those problems. A couple other things. There's a handout that you should review. It's about 4 pages. Should give you some good background and help supplement the videos. And then there's a set of example problems, and those are the ones that we'll be working in class, and so I suggest that you will bring those with you. Finally, if you haven't completed your student information sheet, I need you to do that. I need you to drop that in the Dropbox in D2L so I can see those and get to know you a little better. So